Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Visual Studio is installed and the workloads you need are enabled. This avoids missing toolbar items later. Once you open Visual Studio and a project, make sure the menu bar is visible. Then, go to View, hover over Toolbars and scan the list. You enable the standard toolbar first. This brings immediate access to common commands. Make sure to keep Visual Studio updated, so toolbar options match documentation and extensions you plan to install. You continue by customizing. Right-click on any toolbar area and select Customize. This opens a dialog where you can add commands from categories like File, Build, Debug, or Extensions. Drag and drop commands to reorder them for faster access and create new toolbars for specific workflows. Once done, make sure to save the layout. Use window right arrow save window layout. If something breaks, use Reset to restore default toolbars and then reapply your custom layout. This fixes missing icons. You finish by handling extensions and docking. Install extensions that add toolbar functionality via extensions, right arrow manage extensions, then restart Visual Studio. Dock or auto-hide toolbars to preserve screen space. Drag the title bar to new positions and snap it to edges. Finally, if toolbars still misbehave, reset settings via Tools right arrow import and export settings right arrow reset, or close the solution and delete the solution. VS hidden folder to clear cached UI state. One key tip: restart Visual Studio after changes to ensure everything loads correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.